Hey everyone, today we're going to explore the Monad Testnet. First, what is Monad? Monad is blah blah blah, that's clear. What's most important for us is to see who invested in Monad, and those are Tier 1 companies like Dragonfly Capital and Paradigm. I think this is really cool, so we definitely shouldn't miss this testnet. Let's start. First, we need to install the MetaMask wallet. Go to this website and download it, then follow the instructions. It's not difficult. After everything is installed, go to this link. By the way, I will leave all the links in the description below the video. On this site, there is a token faucet. We need to enter our wallet address, solve the CAPTCHA, and click the Get Tokens button. Great! Once we have received the test tokens from the Monad project, we can start participating in their activities. Now, go to the next link, connect your wallet here, and stake the test tokens. Afterward, confirm the transaction. Perfect. The key is to do these actions every day, as many users do this a couple of times and then stop. Now, let's move on to the next step. Go to this link. On this platform, we need to mint an NFT. You can mint this NFT since it's free, and it's a convenient way to accumulate transactions. I will leave a list of all the NFTs in the description below the video. That's all for now. If you want a continuation, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.